Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Alright, so let's get right into today's video. So, you guys came here to learn how to make some passive income with affiliate marketing. Well, I have one of the biggest names in affiliate marketing to help you guys get started. Alright, so it's super simple. All you have to do, get your computer out. Alright, so we're gonna get the computer out. All you need to do, I can't hold it up and type at the same time. I mean, I could, but it kind of looks weird, no thumbs. All you need to do is Google Amazon space affiliate marketing and then Google it, okay? Once you Google it, you're set. All you need to do is click on the first link that pops up and you are set. Okay, what is Amazon affiliate marketing? So Amazon affiliate marketing is pretty much just like every other affiliate marketing, what would you call it? Affiliate marketing platform. However, you get to use Amazon's products. Now, this is probably the best part about it because, well, everybody shops on Amazon, everybody loves Amazon. Amazon has the best prices and the best products, so it's just super simple. So all you need to do is, you sign up, you put in your information, you get whatever done, you sign up. It's pretty much just like signing up for something normal. It's just like signing up for a regular affiliate marketing course or project, whatever you want to call it. Once you're done signing up, then you need to wait a few days so you can get accepted. Once you get accepted, pretty much everybody gets accepted. It's not that hard. Once you get accepted, all you need to do is, well, you get a link. All you need to do is, oh, I love these. Let's see, Amazon has everything, so I can pretty much pick anything. Oh, I love these Canon batteries. These batteries, they're actually, we bought like 4 of them off of Amazon. It came in a 4-pack. I love them so much. They work so well. All you guys need to do is click my link down below. Boom, done. You already have an affiliate link. You just click this little thing below the item and it gets you a link. It's super duper simple, super duper easy. Anybody can do it and it's so much fun. You're not going to be making, millions of dollars doing this. You're not going to become rich. I mean, you totally could, if you had like 1 billion people click on your link. But, you're not going to get rich, you're not going to go buy a house, you're not going to go buy a Lamborghini, you're not going to, not going to be making bank, but you do make a consistent cash flow, which is what everybody needs. I would rather have consistent cash flow over a Lamborghini anytime, because consistent cash flow is necessity right now, especially with everybody getting laid off and just, all this stupid coronavirus crap that's going around and, nobody can go outside, nobody can work. It's just super hard to make money right now except for online. That is where everything is moving now. Everything is shifting over to online. Affiliate marketing is super easy. If you guys want to learn how to do it, all you have to do is, well, pretty much just click a few of my videos. I'm not going to charge you. I'm not going to ask you to buy my course or whatever. All you have to do is just click up in the cards and click that little subscribe button, guys. It helps me out so much. And if you guys do like this video, make sure to like it. It really does help out the algorithm to suggest my videos. If you guys are looking for a better, better affiliate marketing type link that is super simple, super easy, that all you need is an email to log into, well, I have a video for that. All you have to do is click up in the cards and you guys are already set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios.